Hi, I'm Vijay Bumma, the lead AI engineer. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through something I built from the ground up UniDocVerse. It's a local first AI document intelligence platform, and I'll show you exactly how it works from installing it under a minute to asking questions in natural language and getting cited answers in running deep multi document research with a full AI reasoning loop to voice powered question and answers to built in analytics across all your documents. It's completely offline, nothing leaving your machine, and no subscription and no tokens, nothing. It's all free. Here we'll do a quick rundown of the Air dashboard as well as how to download a software. So come here, come to unitdocwords.com and you'll see a website with document intelligence without the cloud, and it's basically runs on your own local hardware and provides summaries, insights, analytics, and will quickly demonstrate all those things. It's all fully functional and offline, and you can see that how it works. So you can just come quickly and run in minutes, like download and install, upload documents, get insights, instant insights, and manage your clients. So the Unidoc course supports features like agency management, domain, HR suite, real estate intelligence, legal suite, and healthcare and supply chain hub. So you can go to the help guide for help. So click on this. What is Unidoc course? What it does, everything. So now coming to the dashboard. So so how to upload? Just click upload here or upload here, and you can have your voice integration. Just say hey Bumma, that's it. It will understand and understand the doc intent and find out your documents, and you can ask manually and search throughout your documents by semantic search. And also the integration, so it has integrated with WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Gmail, or and you can have your own folders where you supply the documents and it will automatically picks and run it up. And you can bring your own model. So 53 mini is the default which comes with the Unidoc software. But if you install Minstrel or Llama or Quen in your own local machine, it will automatically detect, and you can easily switch from one model to another model. And we have built-in MCP clients, so automatically it will discover all your tools behind the scenes when you enable it, and you can go to cloud desktop and run your queries. We'll walk through the settings gear here. You find the settings and you can add your user, admin, or any other user, and you can change your password, and you can set your language preferences. And now the interesting thing is features. So as I told you, it has insurance agency management, legal compliance, healthcare, finance tax auditing, human resource compliance and operations. Just enable this. You will find the respective um, what do you say, the respective so when you enable insurance agency management, the respective cards will be appear, so you can have your clients, policies, renewals, all the stuff. Coming to dashboard and internet. So agency, you can have your company information and email settings, and it will show. I mean, it will trigger when renewals will coming through to the clients. Now the interesting, so how to upload and run the research agent. So see how the files needs to be uploaded. Before going to this, I'll take out the internet, so that it's completely offline as I told you. Go to anything. So if you see here, nothing is working. Google. So now comes to dashboard. Click on upload. You'll see some documents. These are related to my documents. Some uh, so by default it can capable of taking 10 documents and runs all everything in parallel. So go to continue to documents. You see the progress here. uh, it might take some time because it has multiple documents. It started analyzing, classifying, and then parsing. There are a lot of things inside. It will create analytics behind the scenes, and make it ready for semantic search, and also ready for researching your agent. So I'll come back later. uh, I'll see it classifying what is the document type. So if you see Geico declaration page, it says declaration page is the type. And for payrolls, pay stubs, whatever you apply, you add here, it will classify accordingly. Bear with some more time, as it is going to take another few minutes. I'll come back later. Thank you. Analyzed and classified for documents. So some are like payroll, some are document, and some are USCS receipts, and one is declaration page for the Geico insurance, and some are annual reports. So now the interesting part is like you come and search, like let's say for example we want to find H1B document. It will search H1Bs. You want to find any other document, let's say pay stubs. So I'm just giving you basic, but I mean you can also give invoice payment terms or bank statement balance. So and also give you the confidence. What is the confidence of each document? So now comes to the real story, which is document research agent. It's basically reasoning, a search, and it's like a React loop. Let me grab one question. So what does Geico declaration page cover? List the vehicle, coverage type, limits, and deductibles. So it will start researching, and it will try to find the relevant documents, and if any cross references documents are present, and finally it will synthesize. If they I mean It's a React loop. It's keep on searching for the right intent of the question, formulating the question, and supplying the necessary details for it, and it will find out the answer at the end and send you the responses. So let's wait. We'll see how much time it will take to synthesize and produce the answer. One, it definitely takes a minute because it has to go through a lot of documents. And it has to find the relevance, top K documents, and then find out which documents are relevant, and then figure out the intent, everything. So yep, you see. So it tries to understand the question. So it summarizes what kind of document is this, and then search with queries, and then finally you see the policy, insured, who is insured, and what document from where it is getting, and what is the VIN number, or so and so. So overall conclusion is the declaration page, so and so, about the policy number, insured name, property address, and one vehicle. So and deductible are not explicit in the experts. And also you can download the answers. So this one. So coming to you search about the document now. Coming to agent conversation history, you'll find the conversations what you did before on particular document. So let's do another on this one. So I provided some lexicon proxy document, annual document. I don't know whether this is a right question or not to be keep here, but I'll put it. So another it might take another a minute to cross-reference, react, reloop, and whatnot. It will search the relevant documents. I'll pause it here. I'll come back later once the document is searched. So you see the lexicon pharmaceuticals document this is about. I don't go through much details, but I'll show you like what are the material risk factors, the answers we got, and what are the sources from where we got it. It is finding from the right sources. And one last query I want to search is like, hey, analyze the pay stubs from November 2025 to June 5, 2026 and submit up and give me insights. I'll come back again once the results are back. So you see, analyze the pay stubs from November 25th to 2025 to June 5, 2026. So it's analyzed November to June 26, and what are the gross pays and gross pay for December, February, and as like total gross pay. This is some dollars it is showing. So it found the sources from these all documents. So you can specifically mention like for what pay stubs you are looking for, or I mean you can search for any document. It's very strong reasoning, but you know always the models based on your model it's try to hallucinate, but when the best model gives the best results. So I'm currently using Mistral 7B. So yeah, this is about research agent. Now coming to another tabs over here, so you can go and search. We did that already. And timeline, so timeline says timeline, and then coming to insights. So insights you see about Geico declaration. There are two insights: no bodily injury and so and so. And alerts if any documents which are going to expiry, and coming to so report. Okay, so if you find any issues, yeah, just report it here with the internet on. It will submit the issue, so I can able to see from UniDocVerse, from issue tracker page. So I'm only going to see the issue, nobody else. So it will basically ask you for the password. So yeah, it's quite secure. Okay, don't worry about that. Again, I'm going to take out the internet. Coming to dashboard, you can voice commands like you can plan your daily mornings, and also a quick notes. You can write it notes. I want to meet. Quick note document. What document you are referring to? I want to see. I want to see this paste thoroughly. Let's say. Save note. That's it. And coming to agent queue, yeah, these are like kind of research agent, but it particularly runs on each domain. So you just go and select each domain and policy renewal, coverage gaps, and it will run behind the scenes. and just start the agent. So it started thinking. So policy renewal watch, I will come back later. um, what else we didn't cover? Okay, so coming to clients, so automatically clients will be added over here. Once you provide your documents, and you run your coverage gap analysis. Let's, for example, Vijay Bomma. So it says like, hey, missing coverage lines on homeowners auto umbrella, no homeowners coverage, no auto coverage, and no umbrella coverage. And so it will show the renewals on the next 90 days. You can also see it's about agency, but you can certainly look for the domains. Go to settings, my bad. Go to settings and features. You can enable HR. Let's say enable HR. You can see HR immigrations like visa tracking, resumes, and books reviews. For real estate, you see like appraisals, title deeds, disclosures. Yeah, there are like, I just put some placeholders like this, like appraisal, title deeds, disclosures, but there are a lot of workflows needs to be integrated. As this is an exploratory project, so I didn't go through much depth into each and every domain, but sure, certainly we'll cover everything based on your feedback. So I think I covered most of the things. So yeah, yeah, that's it. And thanks for your time for watching this. And uh, please provide your feedback, or if you're really happy with this product, come here and give me your testimonials. How much are you happy? That will definitely, boost my confidence for the next deep dive into each and every document, but the time permits. So let's say you open this document, it will provide you what kind of summary and insights and analytics. You just open, you can see advanced analytics like this text breakdown and so and so. And open this and you can chat. Hey, what is the, can you provide some insights, or can you summarize this? So it might take a few seconds to respond back. Let's wait. Mm, you can see the inter document summary. And coming to charts, we saw data and charts. Okay, I'll go through this data charts if I upload the document. So you asked about some questions, so you can see that information in the document conversation history, what the question you asked, and you can easily show you. So basically it's maintain the history of questions you asked. I think that's it. Thank you.